Assembling your Cambio height adjustable desk. First, place the tabletop face down on a soft, clean surface. Unpack the crossbar and carefully place it on the floor. Then, attach the side bracket to the end of the crossbar. Repeat the same process to assemble the other side bracket. Make sure the crossbar and side brackets remain facing up during installation. Now, we need to adjust the position of the frame before attaching it to the table. Use the 5mm hex key to loosen the set screws on the inward side of the cross channel. Then, adjust the cross channels to their final lengths. Make sure the supports on each side are aligned with the pre-drilled holes on the frame. Once properly adjusted, use the 5mm hex key to retighten the 8 screws. Next, we're going to assemble the lift columns. Before you start, you should remove the tabletop for further installation. Insert the 2 lifting columns into the 2 ends of the crossbar with the heads of the lifting columns facing inward. Make sure the mounting holes in the lifting columns completely align with the screw holes on the crossbar. Tighten the lifting column and the side bracket with the crossbar using 4 6x10 hex head screws with the hex key. Repeat the process for the other lifting column. Place the foot on the bottom of the lifting column. Align the mounting holes on the foot with the screw holes on the lifting column and tighten using 4 6x10 hex head screws with the hex key. Repeat the same process to assemble the other foot. Retighten all the hex head screws to finish the adjustment. Align the mounting holes on the fixing plate with the screw holes. Attach the fixing plate on the center of the crossbar with 2 Phillips Head screws using a Phillips screwdriver. The fixing plate can be attached to either the right side or the left side. Pay attention to which way the arrow on the fixing plate is facing. This indicates the direction you will slide in the control box. Turn the desk frame upright. Connect the 2 motor cords to the 2 ports on either side of the control box, marked M1 and M2. Connect the controller cord to the port marked HS. Insert the power cord in the port marked AC. Slide the control box into the fixing plate from the left until the control box can't be moved. Make sure the slot on the control box is facing upward. Attach the anti-vibration pads to the surface of the crossbar on the 12 positions as shown in your instruction manual. Align the pre-drilled screw holes with the mounting holes on the crossbar. Insert and tighten the 4 Phillips head screws and spacers from below. Repeat the same process to tighten the other side of the desktop. Attach the controller to the desktop with 2 Phillips head screws using a drill. Stick the adhesive cable clips under the desk to organize the cords. Plug the power cable into the controller on the base and into a power outlet. There are 2 adjustable foot pads under each foot. If the floor is uneven, simply turn the pad to adjust the height to make the desk stable. Enjoy your new Cambio height adjustable desk from Fellows.